stupid. Oh, don't beat yourself. Oreo.
Y las voces de mi mente me dicen, mátalo, mátalo, mátalo.
Found these 4 sneaking into my pasture, and I don't know what to do. Why are they cute at this age? But you'll kill my chickens later.
Realized we've made a huge mistake. Huge. However, everyone was being so
Stole the pickle!
What the? Wait. I'm about to.
Just thinking and watching, really, aren't you? Oh.
I'm not going back in there, man. Don't touch, bro. Bro, chill. No, put me down, man. The lady behind the register talking about I got a fake Gucci shirt on. Man, no, man. I told her this ain't fake. It's that real Gucci. Why would I wear some fake Gucci out here like that? Hey, I'm going to bite her ass. I'm going to bite her ass.
You're coming home with me.
The next train service to is arriving at
Parkour! Michael, parkour! Parkour! Extreme! Parkour! Parkour!
Tell me you're in Turkey without saying you're in Turkey.
Mimi.
Damn, babe. Oh.
Whore. Know what I'm saying? How you doing? Good working, fella. How's God blessing you?
I'm so disappointed because I literally just got to my hotel in fucking Arizona and